Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you that how to auto scroll your YouTube shorts. This is perfect if you want to enjoy a hands-free viewing experience. So let's dive right in. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the YouTube app on your phone. Okay, so once you are on YouTube, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Okay, so now you have to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Okay, so once you are in the settings menu, tap on autoplay. Okay, so now here you can see the option of mobile phone or tablet. Toggle this on. Now you can enjoy YouTube shorts without lifting a finger. And there you have it, a simple method to auto scroll your YouTube shorts on your mobile devices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.